Alrighty, so I've got Patricio here. Whoa, that's really far zoomed in. Well, okay. Got Patricio here on the phone. That's his name.
Hello.
Hello. And he needs to see this here, this little gem. It's called Super Dinosaur Land 3D Adventures on Echba. So let's click this flag here.
Hey guys, Alexander here, and welcome back to another narrative of Super Dinosaur Land 3D Adventures on Xbox. Alright, so I'm just gonna click new game, and we're just gonna get right into it.
So here we see the three dinosaurs. There's Blubber. That's Blubber. And here's Bloober the Bird. He is a pterodactyl. What?
I love it.
Yeah. So you should see what he looks like, though. I'm actually gonna go into the project itself here. This video is still recording. I'm gonna see inside. Go to sprites, Bloober the Bird. And I'm gonna zoom out. There he is. Absolutely beautiful. Take a picture there. And
I
yeah.
can't see him, but I assume he is extremely beautiful.
Oh, he is. He is indeed. So here ends the video.